What's up, Grill Masters? Damien here with another head-to-head showdown. And today we're turning up the heat with a battle between two backyard legends, the Weber Spirit 2 E-310 and the Traeger Woodridge Pro Series. If you're ready to claim the grill crown of summer 2025, stick around. This one's juicy. Let's kick things off with the fan favorite on Amazon, the Weber Spirit 2 E-310. This beast comes with 3 burners, 529 square inches of cooking space, and the legendary GS4 grilling system. Oh, and it's built like a tank, trending hot in Texas, Florida, California, Georgia, Arizona, Nevada, Alabama, and Louisiana. Y'all love that classic propane speed and power. Now on the other side, we've got the Traeger Woodridge Pro Series. This isn't just a grill. It's a Wi-Fi registered trademark pellet smoking machine. With precision temperature control and wood-smoked flavor, this one's for the slow cook pros and flavor lovers. On fire in states like Oregon, Colorado, North Carolina, Washington, Utah, Montana, Vermont, and Maine. If you love that rich smoked finish, Traeger is your go-to. So let's compare. Fuel type: Weber equals propane, Traeger equals wood pellets. Cooking speed: Weber wins with speed, Traeger wins with flavor. Tech features: Weber's built to last, Traeger's built smart with the Wi-Fi app. Budget: Weber's more affordable, Traeger's a premium experience. At the end of the day, it depends on your grill style. If you're in Texas, Cali, or Georgia and like quick, powerful propane grilling, go with the Weber Spirit 2 E310. But if you're up in Oregon, Colorado, or Vermont and want rich, smoky flavor and smart tech, the Traeger Woodridge Pro is calling your name. Grab yours now using the Amazon affiliate links in the description below and help support the channel while you upgrade your BBQ game. Comment below, Weber or Traeger, and tell us what state you're grilling in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more epic battles and Amazon finds. This is Damien with the Summer Grill Battle 2025. Until next time, keep those flames hot and your flavors hotter.